everyone, and especially kay ma'am. So this is our report in group 6. So let's start. K-DEMS and predictions. Evolution of machines. The article suggests that machines are evolving rapidly and gaining ground on humans. It envisions a future where machines become superior to humans due to continuous advancement in their physical organizations and functionality. Evolution of machines. So tumatalakay naman ito sa mabilis na pag-unlad ng mga machines. Ayon dito, patuloy na humuhusay ang mga machine sa kanilang disenyo at kakayahan. At sa hinaharap, possible din silang maging mas magaling kaysa sa tao. So, ang next naman ay supremacy of machines. Butler predicts that machines will one day hold supremacy over the world and its inhabitants as humans become increasingly subservient to them. He warns that a time may come when machine dominant society. So, supremacy of machine. Sinasabi dyan ni Butler na darating ang panahon na ang machine daw ay mangunguna sa mundo, habang ang mga tao naman ay lalo pang nagiging sunod-sunuran sa kanila. Nagbababala siya na sa posibleng kontrolin ng machine ang lipunan sa hinaharap. So, ang next naman is call to action. The article concludes by urging a radical response to the potential dominance of machines. It calls for declaring war to the death against machine and the destruction of all machine to revert humanity to a primal state. So, call to action. Ito naman ay parang hinihimok nito ang isang matinding tugon laban sa posibleng pang-unlad ng machines. Sabi dito is nananawagan ito ng isang digmaan walang humpay para sirain ang lahat ng machine at ibalik ang tao sa mas ayos na pamumuhay. So, ang next naman is George Dyson, a historian of technology, suggests that AI not be a single super intelligent entity, but rather a collective intelligence emerging from interconnected networks of computers. He drew a parallel to the evolution of life, suggesting that AI could evolve in so unpredictable ways, potentially exceeding human control. Ayon kay George Dyson, isang istoryan ng teknolohiya, ang AI ay maaaring hindi isang makapangyarihang nilalang, kundi isang super intelligent entity na nabuo ito mula sa konektadong mga network ng computer. Inalintulad niya ito sa pag-usbong ng buhay, kung saan maaring umunlad ang AI sa paraang hindi nalubos na maunawaan o makontrol ng tao. The article raises the possibility of machine evolving to achieve a form of mechanical life that may eventually serve as human and dominance. It explored the idea of machine evolving through a self-regulating, self-acting power that could lead to them become the dominant species on Earth. The text suggests that AI might evolve like a new form of life, adapting and coexisting with humans and a complex ecosystem. Dyson argues that true AI could become too complex for humans to fully grasp. Despite differing views, there's agreement that AI could play a major role in shaping the future of evolution. Ang next naman is the risk of artificial intelligence. One is technological unemployment. AI-driven automation is rapidly replacing human labor in various industries, from manufacturing and transportation to customer service, and even creative fields. This trend threatens to displace millions of workers, leading to widespread unemployment and economic instability. So, ang technological unemployment naman ay ang AI na unting-unting pumapalit sa trabaho ng tao sa iba't ibang industriya na maaring magdulot ng malawakang pagkawala ng hanapbuhay at problema sa ekonomiya. 2. Bad actors and weaponized AI. AI can be misused by malicious actors for nefarious purposes. including cyber attacks, the creation of deepfakes for disinformation campaigns, and the development of autonomous weapon system that could operate without humans' control. So, ang bad actors and weaponists naman is maaaring gamitin ng AI sa masamang layunin tulad ng cyber attacks, panlilinlang gamit ang deepfakes at ang mga armas na kayang gumana ng walang kontrol ng tao. Ang next is number 3, algorithmic bias. AI algorithmic ay trained on data that reflects human biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes and various applications, including hiring, loan approvals, and criminal justice. So, ang algorithmic bias naman is dahil ang AI ay sinanay sa gawa ng tao, maaari rin itong magpakita ng pagkakaiba o diskriminasyon sa mga proseso, gaya ng pagkuha ng trabaho o pagpapautang. 4. Existential risk. The development of super intelligent AI capable of surpassing human intelligence raises concern about the potential for AI become uncontrollable and pose an existential threat to humanity. So, ang existential risk naman is ang labis na matalinong AI ay maaring hindi makontrol at posibleng maging banta sa mismong pag-iral ng sangkatauhan. So, next is Stephen Hawking. Hawking famously warned that the development of full artificial intelligence AI could spell the end of human race. He believed that super intelligent AI capable of surpassing human intelligence might not share our goals and could potentially act in ways that are determined to humanity. Super intelligent AI might not be malicious, but its action could be devastating consequence for humanity if its goals are not aligned with ours. Hawking focused on the immediate dangers of AI. Sabi dito ni Stephen Hawking ay nagbabala tungkol sa pagbuo ng super intelligence AI na AI ay maaring maging banta sa sangkatauhan. Kahit hindi ito masama kung hindi ito nakasunod sa layunin ng tao, maaari itong makipinsala at makatuon siya sa mga agarang panganib ng AI. So, next is Nick Bostrom. Intelligence Explosion Bostrom, a philosopher at Oxford University, is known for his work on potential for an intelligent explosion, a scenario where AI rapidly surpasses human intelligence, leading to an exponential increases in its capabilities. Bostrom explored the possibility of unfriendly AI, a super intelligent system whose goals are misaligned with human values, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences for humanity. Bostrom explored the long-term implication of an intelligent explosion and the need for careful planning and alignment. So, sabi dito ni Nick Bostrom, isang philosopher na mula sa Oxford ay nagsaliksik tungkol sa intelligent explosion, kung saan biglang tataas ang kakayahan ng AI nang lumampas sa tao. Binanggit niya ang posibilidad ng unfriendly AI na may layuning hindi tugma sa kagustuhan ng tao at na maaring magdulot ng kapamakan. So, yun lang. Salamat.